Hello, delightful makers. I wanted to really quickly talk about when you are adding Fusible to your projects. So this could be for wool applique or just raw edge applique, and you have traced the template and you then need to, cut out the shape. So usually if I have a big piece like this, so like this vase, I don't really want to use a piece of Fusible that is as large as the entire vase. It's really not necessary. So I will often cut like 1/2 inch. This one came to be 1/4 inch. It's just because that's where I had traced some extra shapes in the middle. So I just basically did an outline of the Fusible, and that allows me to fuse my shape down, but it also doesn't waste a ton of Fusible here in the middle. There's no reason for this big chunk to be fused down. So that way when I go to press it, my edges are fused down and then I can stitch, and I don't have the stiffness here in the center, and I don't have all of that Fusible kind of bogging down that center. The only time you would do it is if you want it to be really, really flat. So if I wanted to make sure this was completely flat and I didn't have a chance of this like coming up or having any sort of texture, then I might do my shape the entire size. But for the most part, if I have a big shape, I'm just going to do an outline of Fusible, and then when I fuse it down, this part is not going to be fused. Okay, so that is just a quick little tip for Fusibles, and I hope that it has inspired you to make something beautiful.